Hey everyone! Herbs have been used for centuries to promote health and wellness. From teas to tinctures, let's dive into the amazing world of herbal remedies. Chamomile helps calm anxiety and improve sleep. Try a soothing tea before bed. Echinacea, boost immunity, fight off colds. Take it first sign of symptoms. Ginger helps soothe digestion, reduce inflammation. Add to meals or drink as tea. Lavender, reduce stress, promote relaxation. Use in baths or as essential oil. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Add to food or take as supplement. Herbs are nature's medicine. Explore, experiment, and find what works for you. Follow for more wellness tips.